Hello YouTube, I'm going to teach you guys how to microwave the White Castle sliders in the microwave. So what you want to do is put this in your microwave, and what you want to do is press 1, 0, 0, so 1 minute, and there you go. And that's all you have to do. Make sure you don't get close. And you can tell they're cooking inside there. So you guys can see them. I'll zoom in just a little bit. There you go. Comment down below. Do you guys like White Castle sliders? And when they're done, you see there's the minutes. I'm gonna show you it just for a second. There are the minutes, and yeah, it's almost done. And I'll see you guys in part 2.